Financial experts are buzzing with excitement, thinking Bitcoin might be about to have a huge surge in value. If Bitcoin were to rise, it would be reasonable to assume that the entire cryptocurrency market, including XRP, might follow suit. It seems like XRP is about to break out of its current limitations. An all-time high for XRP is practically inevitable, in my opinion. But let's not get into the conspiracy theory territory. Just stating the obvious, I think XRP has a great shot at skyrocketing to new heights. With its consistent rankings in the top 10 by market capitalization, XRP is already a big player in the cryptocurrency market. It's hard to imagine the market thriving without it. The reasoning is simple. The entire market, particularly XRP and other cryptocurrencies with real-world applications, stands to benefit from a Bitcoin surge. Because of its usefulness in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, it has great potential for growth. I am not an expert in price forecasting, but I am bullish on XRP's future and happy to share the thoughts of a few analysts that have piqued my interest today. If the last market shakeup has really occurred, the prospect of XRP seeing a substantial increase in the near future seems more likely than ever. Listen up, XRP community. Today's news is here. Come back to the place you love. XRP news as it unfolds. I need your help with a favor before we get into today's exciting development. Please help us out if you enjoy our content. Feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. Also, I have some great news to share with you. We're getting ready to host an incredible XRP giveaway as we approach the 60,000 subscriber mark. With just 3 simple steps, you can easily participate. You won't want to miss out on this, so stay tuned for details. Do not forget to include the hashtag XRP News in your comment section today to be eligible for the giveaway. I have been a staunch supporter of XRP for over 6 years, and it represents my most substantial investment to date. I am utterly convinced that its value has the potential to skyrocket, particularly with Bitcoin leading the way. So, what's coming up next? Reliable Cryptocurrency has lately illuminated this, pointing out, our last big decline before we reach new all-time highs is the drop to $38,500. There's little chance that we'll see drops of this magnitude anytime soon. I expect pullbacks of no more than 30% until we start breaking records. As I've already stated, you can't miss the signs. Sit back, enjoy the ride, and let the market do its thing. Thanks to Bitcoin's dominance, the RSI's bullish signals, and the overall structure of the market. This point of view takes a bold stance. Good news for XRP, there have been no major declines. Many experts, including blockchain backer, have hinted at a possible market bottom, which has put XRP back in the spotlight. This is by no means guaranteed, but the general opinion seems to be that it is quite likely. Investors recently vented their frustrations and decided to sell their XRP holdings, causing a shakeup in the market. Stood out. An indication of impending market capitulation, the amount of online criticism directed towards XRP is at levels not seen in years. Because of this, a lot of people think we might have seen the market crash. This is a sentiment shared by credible crypto, which means that major drops are not likely in the future. So what exactly does this imply for XRP? Minimal decline appears to be the more likely outcome. Assuming $0.54 remains as a support level, a crucial component that is still being studied, it is reasonable to assume that XRP is heading for new records. Ali Martinez, a chart analyst, brought attention to a remarkable development, which only increased the excitement. In the past 10 days alone, Bitcoin whales have invested about $5 billion, or more than 100,000 Bitcoins. The market isn't exactly bracing for a slowdown if it's acting this way. Reversely, it is true. Accordingly, it points to an extremely bullish market. The market's momentum should be crystal clear after seeing the Bitcoin whale's aggressive accumulation strategy. The market seems to be in good shape right now, with opportunities for more growth rather than contraction. Notwithstanding the remote possibility of a black swan event, the general market sentiment does not appear to support such a gloomy prediction. Cryptographic understanding. Bitcoin's potential target price above $56,000 was recently mentioned in the UK. Given this forecast, we can't help but wonder how it will affect XRP. There is widespread speculation that XRP could gain significant momentum if it surpasses critical thresholds, with analysts across the board looking at the 60-cent mark in particular. There is a unanimous agreement, though individual analysts have pointed to a 66-cent threshold. with no obvious obstacle above these levels. A quick ascent may be possible if these are breached. As we near what many expect to be an exciting phase for XRP enthusiasts, the anticipation is growing. The news gets even more exciting as XRP's trading volume skyrockets, reaching a reported $1.6 billion in just one day and then adjusting to an even more astounding $1.85 billion. This amount is far larger than the typical trading volumes, representing a significant uptick in interest and activity in the market. A headline from Finbold states that XRP's positive momentum brought in over $1 billion in a single day, highlighting the increasing excitement surrounding its potential. Despite the small 5% gain, it defies the naysayers with its upward trajectory and comes at a time when the prevailing sentiment is bearishly inclined. More substantial market movements are imminent, paving the way for a succession of positive developments. With a daily close above $0.54 and a resistance level at $0.5785, XRP's commendable performance was highlighted by chart analyst Cryptos. With fingers crossed for further encouraging trends, the community is now anxiously awaiting the weekly close. Just like that, Nick. A number of altcoins, according to the Crypto Crusader, are about to break through key resistance levels, which could signal a tidal wave of massive market shifts. These coins include HBAR, XRP, and Casper. The indications of a growing rally are getting stronger, but it's important to trade patiently and not act hastily. From the remarkable performance of VeChain to the personal journey with HBAR, the diverse responses across various cryptocurrencies highlight a larger trend of optimism and resurgence within the crypto community. The scene is clearly set for a dramatic shift as these events play out, and XRP and its contemporaries are right in the thick of it. As with any cryptocurrency, the path with XRP highlights the significance of investing with patience and a long-term commitment rather than trying to time the market. Thinking back on my own experience, I can say that the first 3 years of holding XRP were quite challenging. Despite making continuous purchases, my investment often remained in the red or near the break-even point. A valuable lesson was imparted to me during this time. Timing the market is an ill-advised and possibly fruitless endeavor. Consistent exposure to the asset over time, rather than predicting short-term fluctuations, is the key to success. In his recent analysis of XRP's price movements, Crypto Crusader Nick reiterated this principle of unwavering commitment. He mentioned that a bullish outcome could be possible if the present momentum continues, particularly if the weekly candle closes above important trend lines. All exponential moving averages EMAs for the week have recovered, which is encouraging. As expectations rise for a price break above 60 cents, which has the potential to ignite considerable market enthusiasm.